Hello. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how to use Tenable.sc to detect the most recent vulnerabilities in Apache Log4j. We're not going to be talking very much about the vulnerabilities themselves, as that's going to be covered in the links noted with this video. First, let's talk about detecting Log4j and the associated vulnerabilities. Tenable has released both plugins and scan policies to help customers search for this in their environments. The plugins and the scan policies will appear automatically in the application for most customers. Air-gapped environments will want to make sure that they update both the plugins and the feed to get these new assessment tools. Simply go to Add under Policies and select the policy that you want. Detailed descriptions of these policies is also available in the links below this video. Once the policy is added, simply click Submit and it will be available for use. Once this is available, go to Active Scans and click Add an Active Scan. Select the policy that you just created, and now you can run a scan using it. We do recommend that on internal scans you add credentials. This will make the scan more efficient and help you assess your network more thoroughly. Once your scans have finished, you can track the findings with a new dashboard. This is called Log4Shell Critical Vulnerability, and it's available by going to Options, Add Dashboard, and searching for Log4Shell. Simply click on Add, and it will be available for use. This dashboard will cover the findings for the Log4j vulnerability, as well as other Java and Apache detections that are posing risk in your environment. Tenable.sc customers can also use both queries and assets to help with their tracking of these within the tool. For example, I can use this query to track any Log4Shell detections from a vulnerability perspective. With an asset group, I can also use this asset group to detect where Log4j might exist in my environment. Thank you for watching, and good luck remediating these series of vulnerabilities.